Okay, a 1999 Dodge Ram, old school. We gave him the Clipper alarm system. The door locks are still intact in this vehicle. They still work. To arm the alarm, you're gonna hit lock. Okay, it locks your doors. Unlocks your doors. Okay, this is still work in progress. He's getting a new carpet, new liner, new dash. So, but we went ahead and installed the alarm. Panic button down here. Just hold it down for 5 seconds. That will fire the panic. If somebody bangs in a window or trip the alarm. By the way, the blue light is up in the dash over here. It's up by the top of the rearview mirror. I'll go ahead and bang in the glass. Alarm fires off. Turn off the alarm. Arm it again. Somebody Slim Jims the door and gets in, the alarm is going to fire off. I'm going to show you the car won't start. Car doesn't start. Okay. The car will crank right up now that we turn off the alarm. And then in case the remote controls doesn't work, you open the door, the alarm's gonna go off. It won't allow your car to start, but you just turn the key in ignition, and there's a little square, little button right here on the antenna. Just give it one little quick tap, and that will disable the alarm. This is the antenna that gives you a little far range. That way you can arm and disarm it from a length of a football field. And the blue light is gonna be right here. I'll arm it while I'm inside the vehicle so you can see what it looks like. Okay, and basically this wire is dangling down a little bit. Once you put the liner in, it will hide this whole wire. Normally we work with cars that are put together, not cars that are taken apart like this, but it's fine. This is a work in progress. He's got the updated rims on it. I'm sure he'll take care of all the nicks and dings on it. It's a pretty nice vehicle. They don't make them like this anymore. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Their numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.